Welcome to Korea. Are you using public transportation? But you will have a much more enriching experience if you have a car, because there are so many locals' favorite destinations that are difficult to access via public transportation. Are you worried about driving in Korea? Not at all. After you watch this video, you'll find driving in Korea very easy. Let's take a look. First, Korea boasts one of the lowest number of fatalities from traffic accidents in the world. As you can see in this chart, Korea's traffic casualty rate is very low. This is thanks to a great road network and road signs and safe driving habit, so no worries. Second, traffic signals and road signs in Korea are similar to what you're probably familiar with. Can you see the sign with a number? This means you shouldn't be driving faster than the number indicated on the sign. If you drive faster than the speed limit, you will be charged a $40 fine, so watch your speed. Let's take a look at the traffic lights. In Korea, the general rule is to keep to the right, so to take a left turn, you have to wait for a green arrow. What if there is no green arrow and this is all you can find? This means left turns are permitted but unprotected. So you are expected to drive slow and yield to oncoming traffic. Third, GPS is so good that you don't have to worry about getting lost. All cars are equipped with a GPS. GPS navigation is available in English, and it also provides voice guidance. You want to use the navigation app on your phone? Why not? Map apps are great for navigation. If you need a phone mount, you can borrow it when picking up your rental car. Fourth, Korea has a lot of parking lots that are easy to use. Korea has more parking lots than Japan or Southeast Asian countries, and they're cheaper. Parking costs about $5 per hour in Seoul and $3 in other cities and tourist destinations. There are two types of parking lots in Korea. The most common parking lots are those in or outside a building you can find through the P symbol. When you spot the P symbol and enter the parking lot, it will scan your license plate. You can pay through a kiosk or a parking attendant as you're exiting. Street parking lots are parking spaces on the streets, and they look like this. After parking your car, cut a ticket with a parking assistant and pay the parking fee to the assistant before exiting. Fifth, using highway toll gates is very easy. You can pay tolls using either HiPass or cash or a credit card. But to pay with HiPass, you need a HiPass card. All you need to do is carry the HiPass card and follow the blue line, and the toll will automatically be paid. You can purchase a HiPass card from the rental agency as you pick up your car. The other way is to pay directly to a tollgate employee. Instead of following the blue line, drive to a tollgate on the right side of the road. Then, you can pay with cash or a credit card. Take a ticket as you enter the highway, and as you exit, return the ticket and pay the toll. Sixth, if you get into a car accident, this is what you do. Call your rental car agency. Then, the agency will send emergency assistance, report the accident, file a claim with the insurance company on your behalf, and kindly explain what you need to do. However, small car rental agencies may lack service system. So, if you're worried about accidents, we recommend you go to large car rental brands. We've made it to the end. Driving in Korea sounds easy, right? Korea has so many car rental brands and an outstanding car rental system. We hope that you have a wonderful road trip. Korea number 1, Lotte Rent-A-Car.